Magandang araw, ako po si Ice ng ETM Tax Agent Office. Nung nag-start po yung community quarantine, mapapansin po natin na mas nag-boom yung online selling. So for today, let's talk about the issuance of principal receipts and supplementary receipts. Under Section 237 of the Tax Code, all persons engaged in trade or business are required to either issue sales invoice or official receipts. Issuance of receipts or sales or commercial invoices. Issuance. All persons subject to an internal revenue tax shall, at the point of each sale and transfer of merchandise or for services rendered valued at 100 pesos or more, issue duly registered receipts or sale or commercial invoices showing the date of transaction, quantity, unit cost, and description of merchandise or nature of service. The original of each receipt or invoice shall be issued to the purchaser, customer, or client at the time the transaction is effected, who, if engaged in business or in the exercise of profession, shall keep and preserve the same in his place of business for a period of 3 years from the close of taxable year in which such invoice or receipt was issued. Malinaw po na kailangan nating mag-issue ng resibo at nabanggit po doon yung sinasabing official receipt at sales invoices. Marami pa rin pong nalilito sa atin kung ano po yung pinagkaiba ng sales invoice at ng official receipt. Ini-issue po ang sales invoices pag nakabenta po tayo ng goods. At ang official receipt naman po ay ini-issue pag nakabenta po tayo ng services. Hinati po sa Revenue Regulation 18-2012 yung dalawang classifications ng receipts at invoices. So nabanggit po dun yung tinatawag na principal receipts, invoices, or yung supplementary receipts and invoices. Pag sinabi pong principal receipts and invoices, ito po yung nag-i-evidensyang nakabenta po tayo. Whereas pag sinabi po nating supplementary receipts at invoices, ito po yung sa madaling salita tinatawag nating commercial invoices. Ang sales invoice at ang official receipts ang nagpapatunay na nagkaroon ka ng benta ng goods or services sa iyong mga customer in an ordinary course of business. Dinefine nga po sa Revenue Regulation 18-2012 ang supplementary receipts invoices. At sinasabi po rito na it is a written account evidencing that a transaction has been made between the seller and the buyer of goods and or services, forming part of the book of accounts of a business taxpayer for recording, monitoring, and control purposes. Ano ba yung sample ng mga commercial receipts or invoices na yan? O mangilan-ngilan po dito yung mga tinatawag na delivery receipt, acknowledgement receipt, provisional receipt, debit and credit memo, job order, ayan po. May isip po natin na ang supplementary receipts at invoices po pala magpapagaan lang po sa atin, napapabuti yung pagpapatakbo ng opisina dahil naantabayan na natin yung internal control. Nakakapagtaka lang po na minsan nakapag-issue na po tayo ng sales invoice, hihingan pa rin po tayo ng official receipt. Yung practice po ng iba, pag nag-deliver ka ng goods, hihingan ka ng sales invoice. Pero, para makakolekta ka sa kanila, hihingan ka naman nila ng official receipt. Yung mga ganong practice po, hihinto na po natin kasi po, baka po kasi ma-misinterpret ng BIR na meron po kayong dalawang magkaibang benta sa iisang customer. Yung iba naman po, instead na official receipt, talaga at sales invoice ang i-issue, mga commercial receipts lang ang ini-issue sa mga customers. Pero malinaw naman po sa nabasa natin kanina na yung mga commercial receipts at invoices na yan ay nagpapatunay lamang na nagkaroon ng transaction between you and the customer. Ayon sa batas, ang principal receipts or invoices ay mandatory na kailangan nating issue pag tayo ay nakabenta. Matanong niyo naman po sa akin, ayoko talaga mag-issue ng sales invoice tsaka official receipts kasi ayokong i-declare yung mga benta ko. Ang sagot ko naman po dyan nagva-violate po kayo ng Section 264 ng Tax Code. So, basahin po natin para maintindihan natin.
Any person who, being required under Section 237 to issue receipts or sales or commercial invoices, fails or refuses to issue such receipts or invoices, issues receipts or invoices that do not truly reflect and or contain all the information required to be shown therein, or uses multiple or double receipts or invoices, shall, upon conviction for each act or omission, be punished by a fine of not less than 1,000 pesos but not more than 50,000 pesos, and suffer imprisonment of not less than 2 years but not more than 4 years.
Pag sinadya po natin na hindi mag-issue ng sales invoice or official receipts pag tayo nakapagbenta, nakita nyo naman po, bukod sa mga penalty, maaari pa po tayong makulong. Bago po natin i-end ang video, may advice ko na sumunod po tayo sa batas dahil wala pa naman pong nakukulong sa pagsunod ng batas at tulungan po natin ang gobyerno natin makakolekta ng tamang buwis by declaring yung mga benta po talaga natin ng tapat. Sana po may natutunan uli sila sa araw nito. Salamat po sa panonood. At kung meron po kayong concerns or issues sa tax o kung meron kayong tanong, andito po ang ETM Tax Agent Office para po makinig sa inyo. 237 of the Tax Code of the Philippines, businesses engaged in